This time we're going to start Chapter 17, which is over Russia. Go ahead and copy these facts about Russia down, and then resume the video when you are finished. Let's start by taking a look at where Russia is located on the globe. For reference, here's the United States and North America. If we go across the Atlantic, we will come to Europe, and Russia is actually located in both Europe and Asia. Now, Russia itself is the largest republic of what was known as the Soviet Union. It currently is the largest country in the world, and is almost too large to fit on the screen here, and it stretches 6,000 miles from Eastern Europe all the way across to the Bering Sea in the Pacific Ocean. Its largest city is its capital city, which is Moscow. As you can see from here, is a huge metropolitan area. Russia borders lots of different bodies of water, including the Caspian Sea located here, which is the largest inland body of water in the world. Overall, Russia contains over 200,000 lakes. The Ural Mountains divide Europe from Asia, and one of the most important rivers of Russia is the Volga River, which is the largest river in all of Europe. Russia is divided up into many different regions. Majority of the population lives in the European part of Russia, especially around the capital city of Moscow. The other two regions include Siberia, which makes up most of the central part of Russia, and the Far East. These two regions are not as inhabitable as the European part due to the harsh climates, particularly in the northern region. Russia's Far East region is centered around the Sea of Okhotsk, which is located just north of Japan down here. The Russian Far East is part of the Ring of Fire, which is an area circling a lot of the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire is known for its volcanoes and earthquakes. The Kamchatka Peninsula alone contains 120 volcanoes, 20 of which are still active. Eruptions such as this are quite common in Russia's Far East. Russia has 4 distinct climate types: tundra, subarctic, humid continental, and steppe. You will mostly find the humid continental and steppe climates in the European part of Russia and some of the far south regions. The subarctic and tundra climates are mostly found throughout Siberia, the Far East, and the far northern regions. Now in Russia, sometimes their winters can be severe, and the temperatures, especially in the northern areas, can drop below -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Their summers are fairly short. Temperatures here can reach 100 degrees at times. Where the tundra region occurs, just south of it is a vast taiga, which is a forest of mostly evergreen trees, and this grows south of the tundra. Russia's main resources include coal, diamonds, oil, and forests. Most of the forests that are west of the Ural Mountains have been cut down. Russia is a major oil producer and sells oil to lots of different countries all throughout the world. Coal and diamonds are plentiful, and there are lots of mines throughout Russia where you can find these items. In fact, some of these diamond mines can be so large that they can be as wide as 4 to 5 city blocks and can be as deep as a skyscraper found in New York City. That's all for the geography over Russia. Make sure you have all the notes copied down, and we will continue our discussion in class.